Hey guys, today we're going to walk through how to use NordVPN on Android TV, one of the simplest ways to protect your streaming and unlock geo-restricted content right from your big screen. You can try NordVPN for a great price using the link in the description below. If you own a smart TV that runs Android TV or Google TV, NordVPN works directly without complicated setups. Let's get started. Using a VPN on Android TV helps you unblock geo-restricted streaming apps and access Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more from different regions while avoiding throttling by your ISP when streaming. It also keeps you private while using streaming apps and protects your smart TV from tracking and data collection. Many people don't realize that a smart TV leaks data just like your phone or laptop, and using a VPN helps secure all of it. To install NordVPN on Android TV, start by opening the Google Play Store directly on your Android TV. Then search for NordVPN, which is available as a native app. Install the app, open it, and log into your NordVPN account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to connect and protect your entire streaming experience. To use NordVPN on Android TV, choose the country you want to connect to and tap Quick Connect for the fastest server automatically, or manually select a server based on the streaming service you want to unlock. For example, use US servers for American Netflix, Hulu and YouTube TV, UK servers for BBC iPlayer, ITV and Channel 4, and Japan servers for Japanese Netflix. The Android TV version of NordVPN is streamlined compared to the desktop version, but you still get encrypted NordLynx protocol, obfuscated servers if needed, and threat protection light that blocks ads and trackers directly inside your TV apps. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, NordVPN also offers smart DNS that you can configure directly in your TV settings, but note that you won't get full VPN encryption this way. On Android TV, it is always best to use the full VPN app whenever possible. NordVPN includes full Android TV support in every subscription, and you can currently save up to 76% with their 2-year plan, bringing it to just $3.39 per month. The subscription also comes with a free SYE SIM with up to 10 gigabytes of mobile data, Threat Protection Pro, and 10 simultaneous device connections, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. NordVPN makes protecting your Android TV incredibly simple. With just one app download and one click, you can unlock the full power of streaming from anywhere with privacy and peace of mind. You can try NordVPN for a great price using the link in the description below.